Howdy-ho. Arkansas Pilgrim here again. Well, here's something I never thought I'd say. Yay! My Black Soldier Fly Larvae are here. So, GrubTerra was kind enough to reach out to me and offer me a free 1-pound bag of their Black Soldier Fly Larvae. It's similar to kind of how Super Clean has done, which I guess maybe their advertising department is similar in that they, I don't know, that they're not looking to reach a lot of people, considering they contacted me. But I am grateful because this product is as a supplement, high protein supplement. Apparently it's 36% protein, and it also has a lot of calcium, so it's good for eggshells, calcium, stronger feathers, protein. And online these were only like $12.95 for the bag, 16 ounces, and on the back it says 16-ounce bag feeds up to 5 chickens a month. So a 50-pound bag of chicken feed is about good for 1 month for like 6 chickens that I have, and this bag would last, it says just give, where it says a few handfuls a day as a snack. So that seems like a pretty good deal. And grubs are not for human consumption, and I wonder why they had to put that on there. Oh well, back to the real subject. Do the chickens like them? So let's see. There you go. Yep, roll. So this is about a handful. Let's see. Yep, they're going to town on them. Let's give them a few more. Well, they seem to be a hit. So, Chickie, what did you think of those GrubTerra fly larvae? Really? That all you got to say? Okay, Chickie Poo, what did you think of the GrubTerra Black Soldier Fly Larvae? Well, straight from the chicken's mouth. Can't get any better than that. Thank you, GrubTerra, for giving me this opportunity to review your product and to make this video. There's a link down in the description, so why don't you guys go check them out and, hey, help out a U.S. company and give your chickens a treat. God bless y'all. See you next time.